welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'm going to be showing you some extended family signs. Now I made one before where it was more intermediate family signs like mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, and so today I'm going to be showing you some extended family signs. So if you'll remember, father, mother is like this, father, mother, and so your grandfather is going to be grandfather. So you're going to do the same as father, bounce, bounce. Okay, grandfather, grandmother, mother or mom is this way, so you're going to do the same thing as you did with the grandfather. So grandmother, bounce, bounce. Okay, grandfather, grandmother. And the next one I'm going to be teaching you is cousin. So if you're just saying like a cousin and it's going to be gender neutral, not male or female, cousin, just kind of like in the middle. And if it's a male cousin, you're going to do a C up here, cousin. If it's a female cousin, you can do the C right here. Remember that all male signs are here and female signs are going to be down here. So a male cousin, female cousin. If it's just saying like a cousin, like one of your cousins, it can be toward the middle. The last ones we're going to do are aunt and uncle. So uncle, you're going to make a U and put it up here toward the top of your head like this, uncle, uncle. So you're going to just go around in a circle. And for aunt, you're going to make an A right here next to your cheek and go in a circle, aunt, aunt. All right, so we have grandmother, grandfather, uncle or uncle, aunt or aunt, and cousin, cousin, or cousin. All right, guys, see you later.